blender. It comes with everything you see here. It's made in Korea, and there's a very, very heavy main unit here. This is not going to go off the counter. It has a container for the juice, a container for the pulp, a cleaning tool for the strainer. You can see the brushes inside here. The cleaning brush, a hopper that you use only in the case of difficult foods, the foods that might get stopped up in the chute. And this is how you assemble it. Kuvings is very nice. It has red dots here so you can line everything up. Sometimes it takes a little bit of jiggling to get everything in place. But you put this on the unit. Then you take this piece, which has scrapers here, very light silicone scrapers. You insert the strainer in, and you'll see the strainer also has a red dot. So I'm going to put this in, lining up the red dots. Then the very heavy duty screw. This goes in. So that's down. And then the top, which I don't know if you can see, also has a red dot here. So we line that up and we put it closed. You have the juice on one side and the pulp on the other. Because this is a masticating juicer, it's much quieter than the more common centrifugal juicer. The difference between the two kinds is the centrifugal will grind up the fruit and the vegetables and the greens, whatever it is you put in there, and then spin the juice out. A masticating juicer works at a much lower speed, and it grinds up the vegetables, but then it presses them. So by pressing them, it is a more efficient way of extracting juices from vegetables. This has two directions. This is on, and you'll hear how quiet it is. And it also has a reverse feature for when things get jammed inside and you want to reverse everything. What you will see is the juice. I'm actually going to rewind. The juice coming out on this side and the pulp coming out on this side. So I turn it on, put a carrot in, which is a tougher vegetable. So it does make a sound when it hits. And with carrots, with a masticating juicer, it doesn't seem to get out as much juice as I would like, but I'm only putting 2 carrots in. You'll see quite a difference when I put an orange in. When it gets down there, hasn't gotten down there yet. And it does not have a very big hopper. But you see, an orange gives actually quite a bit of juice here. Pineapple, which is pretty good, even though it's not quite as ripe as it should be. Cleaning is relatively easy, although as you saw in the beginning of the review, there are a lot of parts to clean, and none of them are dishwasher safe. The cleaning tools help enormously. I really love this. It works very quietly.